Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account wherever you are in Africa. So let's get into the video. So first you go to Google here and you type in PayPal Kenya. Then you select the PayPal account, join millions of PayPal users. That will pop up on the first option as an ad. And as you can see, then you click on the sign up. But you should know that you have to choose the business account. If you choose the personal account, you can't create it in Ghana. As I've done, I choose the business account. Then you enter your email, the email you want to use to create the PayPal account. As you can see, what I chose. Then you enter your password. Let me enter mine. Then people will ask you to enter the business contact, as in who they will contact, the business owner's name. Then you enter your name, as you can see how I'm doing it. Organization legal name, the name of your organization. Then you enter any name you want, because we are not creating as a business account, but we are using it as a personal account, so we just enter any name you want. As you can see, your name, it just works. Then here is where the trick is. You change the Kenya code to Ghana code, that is +233. Then you change it +233. If you're in Nigeria, you change that one to, wherever in Africa, just change that code, then enter your real number attached to it. Everything will come. As you can see, I'm doing it. Then your business address, your real address. Then you accept the agreement and continue. Then describe your business, just anything. The product your company offer, just put in anything. From here, I'll put in anything. Your website, you don't need any website, so we just move on. Then your date of birth, your real date of birth, date of birth, all those stuff, you put it in. Nationality, you change it to wherever you are. If you are Nigeria, you change it to Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, you change it to Ghana. When you're in anywhere in Africa, you just change that into. And if you are in Nigeria, the ID card you use. In Ghana, the ID card you use, you change it. Me in Ghana, I'll use the national ID card we are using. So after here, I'll enter the national ID card code for you to see. Then you submit. After you submit, they'll ask you to confirm whether all the information are right. Then your account is activated. As you can see, the account is activated. Everything is in, everything. But just one thing, they will ask you to confirm your number and you confirm your email. You have to confirm those things first. If you don't confirm it, the account is not 100% active. It's 99% active. Let me say it that way. 99. It's not 100% active. So if you want it to be 100% active, you have to confirm your mobile number and your email and number. Right now, I want to show you that this is real. It's not something that won't work. It's real. Wait a second. Let it load. The network here is running slow, so let it load. Yeah, the account is active. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Confirm your email address and link a bank account or credit card to it. That will be in our next video. So you want to catch up on that, hit the bell icon there and hit the subscribe button for more of PayPal accounts. I'll go in depth into it and put funds in it. We buy Bitcoin with it. You do a lot with it. So just click the bell icon and the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.